Have you ever felt your legs becoming unsteady, easily wobbly when turning around or simply stepping out of a car? These small changes might be early warning signs that you need a foot stability training for seniors program to steady each step before losing your balance and losing your independence in your own home. In today's video, I'll show you 5 incredibly simple exercises that have helped thousands of older adults regain strength in their legs and naturally, safely prevent falls after 60. And don't skip exercise number 5 because it's the silent balance test that most seniors overlook, yet it may be the key to maintaining long-term independence. Exercise 1, activate foot muscles with the toe squeeze. Did you know that the small muscles under your feet are the foundation of your stability when standing, walking, or turning? After turning 60, these muscles often weaken quietly, making you feel like your feet are out of sync with your body. This is why foot stability training for seniors always starts with the smallest yet most important things. The first exercise you should do is squeeze your toes while standing. Imagine you're trying to pull the floor closer with your toes. Stand flat and, if necessary, gently hold onto a chair or wall. Slowly squeeze your toes together. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10 to 12 times for each foot. The goal of this exercise is to strengthen foot and ankle muscles, helping you stand firmer, even on uneven or slippery surfaces. According to the National Institute on Aging, foot activation exercises like this one can improve senior mobility safely and significantly reduce the risk of balance loss due to aging. Not only that, regular practice will enhance your foot reflexes, naturally helping you prevent falls after 60. You don't need a gym or expensive equipment, just bare feet and determination to protect yourself. As you practice, feel the changes from your feet to your calves. That's a signal that the muscles are waking up again. And if you feel the bottom of your foot starting to come alive, congratulations, you're ready for the next exercise. It will take your control to the next level, giving you confidence in every step, even when the ground isn't flat. Exercise 2, slow down to go far. There are times when simply slowing down helps you realize what you're losing or regaining. With your legs, walking correctly is far more important than walking quickly. Try this exercise right in your house. A small hallway or a quiet open space is enough. Stand straight with your arms slightly extended to help with balance. Take a small step forward, placing your heel against the toe of the other foot. Hold for 2 seconds, then continue stepping. Keep moving slowly, focusing intently. Keep your eyes straight ahead, not looking down at your feet. You'll realize that balance isn't just a matter of muscle, but a coordination between your brain, eyes, ankles, and toes. Every step now acts like a live test for your body's natural balancing system. This exercise helps to train seniors' stability deeply and subtly. It also has a powerful impact on preventing falls after 60, especially in unexpected situations, like when turning quickly or stepping over the edge of a carpet. More importantly, this exercise serves as a true measure of your foot control. If you feel wobbly, off balance, or need to hold onto something, that's a sign it's time to get serious about foot stability training for seniors. Have you tried walking like this before? If you've already given it a go, let me know in the comments below. Did you feel stable, or were you a bit anxious in the first few steps? And don't leave the video yet. The next exercise will show you how to retrain your ankle reflexes the right way after many years of slacking off. A simple practice, but often overlooked in most senior workout routines. Exercise 3, wake up your ankles with simple movements. Many people think that poor balance comes from weak knees or hips, but the truth is, it's your ankles that are often the first place where you lose your stability. If your ankle reflexes are slow or no longer flexible, you'll lose balance even when simply stepping off the bed or turning suddenly. This exercise is so simple you can do it right on your sofa. Sit up straight and lift one foot off the floor. Start rotating your ankle in circles, 5 clockwise, then 5 counterclockwise. Next, use your toes to draw each letter from A to Z in the air. Switch feet and repeat. This exercise strengthens foot and ankle muscles, restoring the ability to rotate, stretch, and contract accurately, thus improving senior mobility safely in sudden situations. It's also a very important step in foot stability training for seniors. To optimize results, you should eat foods that support joints and muscles, such as salmon, almonds, Greek yogurt, eggs, and leafy greens. These nutrients help protect your ankle joints and sustain senior stability training from within. Do this exercise once or twice a day, and you'll start feeling more confident in your steps, whether it's going upstairs or stepping over carpet edges at home. After watching this video, don't forget to check out the Leg Strength and Mobility for Seniors playlist in the description below. That's where you'll find more exercises to deepen your routine, enhancing strength and autonomy for your legs every day. If you're wondering if you still have good balance when standing on one leg, the next exercise will be a gentle but essential challenge for you. Exercise 4, balance starting from a support. When you stand on one leg, you're teaching your body how to coordinate the entire balance system, from your ankles, feet, to your core. And this is one of the most effective ways to regain movement control after 60. To begin, stand near a wall or a stable chair. Lift one foot off the floor and hold for about 10 seconds. If it feels too easy, you can increase the time or try letting go of your support. Then, switch feet. Repeat 2-3 times for each side every day. This exercise turns foot balance exercises for seniors into a familiar part of your daily routine. You're activating the small muscles under your feet and ankles, the foundation for preventing falls after 60. This is also a great exercise to assess your own stability. If you find you have to quickly put your foot down or lose your balance, don't worry. That's exactly why you're training. Your body will adapt over time with persistence. You can integrate this exercise into everyday activities like brushing your teeth, waiting for water to boil, or standing while watching TV. Regular practice will help you progress significantly in senior stability training. How long can you stand on one leg? Leave a comment below to share your first result and see where you stand. And if you've made it this far, don't miss the final exercise, because this is the silent balance test that most seniors overlook. But it's the key to maintaining long-term independence in everyday life. Exercise 5, test your balance from the tips of your toes. Now, to the most important part, the silent balance test I promised you at the start of the video. No noise, no equipment, but its effectiveness will reveal a lot about your ability to maintain your independence. You'll need a small towel and bare feet. Sit straight on a chair and place the towel on the floor in front of you. Now, use your toes to pull the towel closer, a little at a time, as if you're folding the towel with your feet. Once it's done, stretch the towel out and switch sides. Do 2-3 repetitions with each foot. At first glance, it may seem simple, but this exercise targets the small muscles in the soles of your feet, the muscles that help keep your feet firmly planted on the ground every time you stand, turn, or walk on slippery surfaces. This exercise is an essential part of foot stability training for seniors, as it directly strengthens foot and ankle muscles, helping your feet anchor down better wherever you are. By incorporating this exercise 3 to 4 times a week, you'll see a noticeable improvement in your toe reflexes, which is crucial for preventing falls after 60. If you find your feet getting tired quickly or the towel not moving as you'd like, it's not a failure. That's when you know your muscles are weak. And this foot balance exercise for seniors is exactly what you need to recover. Remember, each movement like this, repeated weekly, will become a silent insurance for you in your journey of senior stability training and improving senior mobility safely in the long run. With just 5 simple exercises, you now have a solid foundation to improve your balance, prevent falls after 60, and maintain independence every day. Don't wait until your balance starts to fail. Make foot stability training for seniors a part of your daily routine so your feet stay strong with every step. What do you think of the 5 exercises today? Which one made the biggest difference for you? Don't hesitate to leave a comment. Your feedback could motivate many others who are starting their journey just like you. And don't forget to explore the Leg Strength and Mobility for Seniors playlist below. You'll find many advanced exercises suitable for seniors who want to improve strength and flexibility safely, naturally, and easily at home.